Hi everyone, this is Arman with YouTube user Arman's Elevator Tour. Today's Halloween. What a good way to celebrate is to do fun things. Then I would love to do trick-or-treating with all my friends, with all my teachers in school, and with all my friends who supported me. So I can show you Halloween decorations online. Well, yeah, I can show you Halloween elevators as well. Yeah, sure. Now we're... Okay, see these Halloween decorations? One of my favorite. This one says Happy Halloween. Sorry about that. Halloween decorations. Now I'll show you how Halloween elevators. Come on. Why does it just wants to focus? Somehow it doesn't want to focus for some reason. There we go. Here are Halloween elevators that... See? This is the Happy Halloween version. Excuse me. So I hope everybody has a wonderful happy Halloween. Go trick-or-treating and get some candy, and God bless you all.